Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add tabs to your Shopify pages, so let's get right into it. Now, to add tabs, you're going to need to go into your online store and edit a couple of different things. Now, firstly, you can go into apps and search for an app which allows you to add tabs. Some of them might be paid, so I'm just not going to go into detail about that. There are several apps which you can use, so I don't have time to go over all of them, neither am I familiar with most of them. Now, you can also find a theme which has tabs by itself. Most of them are paid, and they can go upwards of $400, $500, so keep that in mind. But you can also edit the code of your own theme. So I'll go into here and click on Edit Code, and I found this code here on Nexus Media. You can look it up and you can find it itself. But as you can see, you need to add some code to your tabs. Now, firstly, what we need to do is go into Product Liquid, which is a different file now. I'm pretty sure it's main product. It is under sections. So if we go into main product, we should be able to find it. And there we go, main product.liquid. I'm already in there, and I'm pretty sure I've added that section somewhere already. But if you haven't, you can just select any place where it fits, add the code, for example, I don't know, here. Add the code, click save, and that should be it. Now, once you're done with that, you can also go into your styles.css or styles.css.liquid and add this CSS code. So let's go there, and we can go over into styles.css. That is under assets. So let's go into the assets file, then find style.css, which should be over here at the bottom. I don't know why I can't find it, but it should be somewhere here. I'm pretty sure there's a search function here. So styles.css, this should be able to find it. Not sure why I can't find it, but you can add new assets if you want. So I'll just create a blank file with the extension CSS. I'll just use styles.css, click done, and once that opens, you can then add your code here, click save, and that should be it. And then you can go ahead and add the product description using product or product tabs, and the description using proper HTML formatting. So just get this and add it to the appropriate file. I keep forgetting which file it is. I do recommend you look it up since I'm not very familiar with it, but this is the best and free method you can use to add tabs to your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.